The JNX extension identifies a Garmin BirdsEye Satellite Imagery file containing satellite or aerial imagery for display on Garmin GPS devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, create, or troubleshoot these GPS satellite imagery files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling JNX files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. JNX files are satellite imagery files for Garmin GPS devices containing tiled raster map imagery from BirdsEye Satellite Imagery subscriptions. They display high-resolution satellite photos on the GPS device, overlaid with the user's position, and track data for outdoor navigation. Garmin JNX files use a tiled image format with multiple zoom levels, storing JPEG-compressed map tiles with geographic bounding box metadata. They are organized in a hierarchy, allowing the GPS device to display appropriate resolution imagery at different zoom levels. For full editing functionality, JNX requires Garmin Basecamp, which is supplied by Garmin Limited. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows offers minimal visibility, leaving full interpretation to specialized GIS programs. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your JNX file and select Open With. Use Garmin Basecamp if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If your JNX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. When the simple solution doesn't stick, so let's get technical. We are moving straight into these three focused troubleshooting steps now. First, installing on Garmin devices. Copy JNX files to the Garmin BirdsEye directory on your Garmin GPS device's internal memory or microSD card. Power on the device and navigate to Map Setup to enable BirdsEye imagery display. The satellite imagery appears under your GPS track and waypoint data. Next, creating custom JNX. Use JNX Customizer or Mobile Atlas Creator to generate JNX files from freely available satellite imagery sources. Configure tile size zoom levels and geographic coverage area. Transfer the created JNX file to your Garmin device's BirdsEye directory for offline satellite imagery. Finally, Troubleshooting Display. If JNX imagery does not appear verify, the file is in the correct BirdsEye directory on the device. Check that BirdsEye imagery is enabled in Map Setup. Some Garmin devices require a BirdsEye subscription for official JNX files. Custom JNX files may work without subscription on compatible devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.